Yo. Just trying to sort out this volume. Volume's acting up. Okay, should be good to go. Should be good to go. Alright, let's put that on. Alright, can you guys hear me well? Yeah, I think the volume's good now. Alright, lastly, let's just do that. Mic check, mic check. Alright, let's get going. Let's get going. Hey Rosie, good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's not been a bad day so far, not a bad London session. Right, so I'll start with a daily analysis on gold. So gold is currently bearish, but it seems to be rejecting the lows that it's made today so far. If it can flip bullish, break the previous high, then obviously gold is going to push up. Hello. Now PMIs later, 2:45, so literally 2 hours and 15 minutes from now. Probably stay on and stream that. So yeah, we'll see what news does. It seems to be ranging right now. So we've had this, looking at the 4 hour. We pushed up during Asian, dropped during London, pushed back up, and now we're slowly pushing up before New York open. So I was initially, I didn't really see any moves on gold, but I was looking at the 4 hour and I was thinking I'll get a continuation pattern. But what I didn't like is that at the break of this previous 4 hour candle's low was a 4 hour support. I don't buy into support, it never works well for me, so I don't bother. But yeah, still would have got some pips out of it, but yeah, just left it. So at the moment, gold has broken the previous 4 hour high. If it wants to continue up, I think it retests 2940, and then maybe another rejection to come back down. But gold is still bullish, so yeah, after 2940, my next target would be 2950, and then above. So we'll see what happens with news. In fact, news comes on the next 4 hour candle. So we'll see how this one closes. What's up, Benny? Alright, so the 30 minute just smacked me out of a trade. So I was looking at a fake out. So we had this drop, push up, and then this closure back into the range. But as you can see, gold made a low and then pushed up. My stop loss wasn't this big. I actually used the 15 minutes as a stop, so lost about 40 pips, but it was a reduced size. I didn't take the full position because yeah, gold's a bit dodgy recently and it had been moving sideways. But yeah, it was about 40 pips in there. Yeah, we'll see what gold does. Now there's no top wick on this candle right here. This 11:30 candle, we don't have a top wick, so I'm anticipating gold makes one. Let's adjust these levels now because we've got some new ranges. And keep this one up here. So this is where the daily flip is. Actually, I'm going to leave this resistance by the daily flip because we could get a retest there. Right, so gold. It's just not clean. I should never have taken that trade. But to be fair, look, it was a decent range all the way down. Closure back into the range, and then look at that, 85 pips, and it's clean. Caswell. So yeah, man, that gold trade was BS really. Now pound yen, massive push up during Asian. I saw Bank of Japan, Yuda, he was talking and saying things, so it was infecting pound yen, or affecting the yen, period. The yen was going down on him talking, which is kind of weird because what he was saying was quite positive stuff. You know, the economy's moving in the right direction, interest rates, raising them, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I would have thought GJ would have gone down, but I'm still bearish on pound yen for the moment. Kind of thinking this daily is going to flip bearish and we might hit this 187. Maybe not today, but we're going to tap this price, I think, in the next week. So 4 hour is also giving me very bearish signs. So we had this push up during Asian. It retested this previous 4 hour support, rejected, not once but twice, closed weak bearish, and now this current 4 hour made a small top wick. It's broken a previous low. I think it continues down, but the market's going to do what the market wants to do. Got this, it was a 1 hour double top, 1 hour and 30-minute double top, which, if you don't know what that is, it's an M pattern. So we've got the M, boom, boom, and it should continue down. As you can see, I'm still in my trade that I took earlier. My runner is still running. I just left it. So initially, the idea behind this trade was closure below. Then we had GBP PMIs. It pushed up. As it pushed up, I took an entry just because I wanted a slightly smaller stop loss than the break of the low. But when it was pushing up, it was stalling. It was like taking its time. So I had initially a 25 pip stop loss. It's about 25, yeah, about that. And then yeah, it pulled up, it did pull up, and then continue down. So yeah, just held the trade, just let it run. Obviously this is the time I don't normally like to take trades because it's slow, and as you can see, it didn't range, but it just created structure. And then yeah, continued down. So we'll see. I think what I'm looking for now is again pound yen to create some structure and continue selling. And that's not just because I'm in a trade, it's because, like I said, I'm still bearish on pound yen. It's rejected this 4 hour, and yeah, double top, failed to make a new high, bearish structure right now. So my next trade would either be, if I get a resistance, if it pulls up, I don't know if it retests this support or maybe around here, and then we form a resistance, and then it continues down. Maybe retest this support, down, 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 down. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for pound yen. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. How was everyone's morning? Anyone catch any trades today? I know we were active in London session. Were there any other moves earlier? I was kind of looking at potential gold sells right here actually. So we've got this closure below right here. So I thought, okay, had this support too, but as you can see, the candle didn't come down and break the low. It just pushed right up. So yeah, gold hasn't been easy today. It's not been very nice. Hasn't been very nice price action. Might just be ranging for the news. Caswell, you still got your runner running? I'm telling you, there's buyers waiting at this psychological level here. I think pound yen sells though. I mean, look, it's creating these rejection wicks. Only thing is, it's breaking the previous highs, but not by much. Four hours very bearish. What on GJ? I think so. I think so. And even though I trade on the 30-minute, I use the 4 hour to form my bias for the day. 100%. I feel like you have to use the higher time frames to determine your lower time frame moves. Now you can obviously get trades in between, you know, counter trend and all of that, but yeah, 4 hours is a very good way to get set up for the day. What's it doing? So yeah, we'll see. Now the 4 hour here could always look at what could happen. Obviously, do they call it forward? It's not back testing, forward testing, forecasting. Yeah, forecasting is what they call it. Where you can kind of anticipate what's happening. So yeah, this 4 hour, if it pushes up and fills this previous wick, and we can actually close above this previous 4 hour support, then I think pound yen is going to be bullish. Obviously, I'd prefer the sells. Looks like it's gonna come up to my break even. Like these gold ranges, even though it's like, well, it's just under 40 pips. But 40 pips isn't even a big range these days. If it was pound yen, then yeah. But on gold, a 40 pip range, 40 pips is a stop loss. 40 pips is the stop loss nowadays. Come on, GJ. It's already filled this little gap that it created for PMI news. It's that 20 pip push up. 22. As long as this 1 hour respects the previous 1 hour high, pound yen sells still look good. Because from 8 o'clock it's just been bearish, which has been nice. Let's see how this 1 hour candle closes. Looks like it's creating a nice support here. Mm, 15 is just pushing up. Gold 2. Just a waiting game now. So yeah, waiting for resistance on pound yen. Not waiting on anything for gold right now. Waiting for news for gold. I don't see anything setting up just yet. Yeah, I don't see any setups for gold. Maybe if it respects this resistance. Nah, it's only a 60 pip range. Where did gold open up here? So the daily's up here. Daily's bearish. Weak bearish at the moment. 4 hours bullish. Yeah, I was gonna say if gold respected this resistance and maybe sells back down, but yeah, I wouldn't force anything right here. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, GJ. Why are we back up here? Why are we so far? Go back down. Gonna respect this resistance. Come back down. you know what? Let's look at what happened for the PMIs for gold last month. So I believe it was on the 24th of January. Let me let's go back. January 24th. Yep. Cool. Yep, 24th of January. So it would have been, I'm gonna cut this 15-minute time frame so it doesn't jump back. All right, so 245. Oh, look at that. Mixed. Well, not mixed, but indecision. But it probably was mixed there. One's always better than the other. One's always good, one's always either bad or... No, one's always bad, and one is either as forecast or good. And then we get this indecision. But what it looks like is we get the indecision, but then the trend continues, which would be good. So let's see if we get a repeat of that today. Where are we? All the way up here. There we go. Yeah, we might get a bit of a range until then. Ooh, GJ, did you stop me out? I think it did. I always put it like a pip in profit. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Yeah, it did stop me out. Not a bad trade though. I think that was about 30 pips. It's about 30 pips. 28. Can't complain. Just look for another entry now, see where we can get in again. Alright, gold's pushing down. GJ impulse entry today. I mean, if we get a good resistance, which is what I'm looking for, a resistance, and it sets up nice, then I think the resistance would need to be at like a previous level. So if I can get a retest of, well, this isn't even it's kind of a support, so I'm going to leave that here, but because we've got this gap, it's not very clear. So yeah, if pound yen can stay somewhere in this level here, and then it creates a resistance from around here, then I'll potentially take an impulse entry down, because obviously I'm bearish, so yeah, I can see it, I can visualize it. And gold's dropping back down. Gold cannot be trusted. Like, what is this sideways price action? Gold is nasty. Yeah, it's not nice at all. Not nice at all. But I still think a closure below is valid for sells. I think the closure below obviously looks better than the closure above, because we have this clean range. I mean, look at the size of the range. 80 pips. In fact, yeah, about 80 pips. So yeah, if we get that closure below and doesn't close too far, I may give myself a second chance. Alright, give me 2 seconds, I'll be back. 2 seconds. I'm back. Okay, GJ might be respecting this area here. Little retest. I don't think we're going to get the closure below though. Doesn't look like it's moving at all. No, it's not moving in the right direction. Well, 15 pips in a minute and a half, you can do that. No problem. How's pound yen doing? What are you saying, Benny? M15 impulse entry, yeah? Yeah, I need a 30-minute candle though. Ain't trading that mess on gold. M15 is weak. It is. Done with gold today. Just looking at GJ is super bearish. Cool. Cool. Yeah, gold is very, very choppy at the moment. So yeah, I wouldn't mess with it either. It would have to be a very clean move for me to get in anything on gold. And that looks to be far away. Alright, so pound yen. It's not a bad closure where it closed. If you guys don't have this gap on your chart, in fact, let me look at my broker. Let me see what my broker looks like. Yeah, my broker looks exactly the same as Oanda. Do you guys have this gap? Like this gap here where I've got this red box on your charts? I would love to know if it actually respected this previous support from these two candles. And it would be the 9 and 9:30 candle. Okay, it looks the same. So yeah, that's no good to me. Those are the same too. Caswell, where's your... Because I know your broker kind of looks different from mine. Where's your support for the PMI candle? Like, what's the price level? Just kind of want to know where it's at. Like, if we respected, I think either way we definitely respected that previous support, like a break and retest. Even though we're pushing up. What's gold doing? Ranging. Disgusting. Gold looks terrible. Yeah, I don't think this is really valid anymore. It's pushing up. But now this has been a point of contention all day. Do you guys have a bottom wick on this 30-minute candle for GJ right now? No bottom wick for you. Cool. No bottom wick for you. Come on, create a resistance on this candle. Let us get our sells back down. Now, with pound yen, as we know, it trades from 4-hour level to 4-hour level. So where do we start to push up from? This 4-hour support that was created, all the way up into this previous 4-hour. No bottom wick for you too? Okay, cool. So yeah, 4-hour to 4-hour. Now we've retested this one twice. I'm anticipating that we can at least come back down to 189.125. That would be my first sell target. Well, that would be my target for the day. I want it to retest. I want to retest this resistance first, at least. This broken resistance, like a break and retest. And a bottom wick for this candle here. So yeah, these candles, wicks are definitely being created today. So look, we had no top wick here. 330 came up, made a top wick, came back down. Come on, GJ. You notice that with GJ, what, the 4-hour levels? You gotta remind me what I was talking about, because the chat is delayed. Not the chat's fine, but the stream is delayed. So either you're talking about the 4-hour levels or the gaps getting filled, or the wicks. Yeah, the 4-hour levels. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so if we continue bearish, that's definitely where we're going. Now, if GJ decides it wants to be bullish, then we're going to get a retest of this 190.75. But yesterday I noticed like GJ was ranging yesterday. Oh my god. I was thinking it was going to sell once it started pushing down below this. Is that daily? It's another 4-hour level. Yeah, must be a 4-hour level there. Yeah, I thought it was going to push down some more. And then it just started ranging. I always keep one monitor on the charts, even when I'm not trading. I just like to keep an eye on what's happening at the end of the day. Did the daily bias play out? And yeah, I was thinking sells, but once it pushed off this level, or it held, I didn't really expect a 100 pip push up though. Especially during Asian, like straight away. Such a quick move. Yeah, this is the range I was talking about. Every time I looked back, the price was pretty much the same. So yeah, I hope we don't get a range today, but I think news will definitely push pound yen and gold. Let's see what happened with gold last time. I mean GJ. 24th January. Oh yeah, I was looking at PMIs for then. So 245. Doesn't really look like much was happening. Cool, yeah, not much. It pushed up, or pushed straight up at 15 minutes before news, and just range to the end of the day. Well, slightly bullish. This just looks very messy right now. Let's put resistance there. Okay, we've got a bit of a cleaner structure. There we go. Cool. That looks better. I can think. When you guys are trading, I've got a question for the chat. Do you guys use TradingView for your analysis, or do you just use your platform, not your broker? And what platform are you using? People still using MT4, MT5? TradingView for analysis. Cool. See trader and TradingView. Hey Alex, welcome. MT5 TradingView for analysis. Cool, cool. Yeah, I'm the same. When I first started trading, my friend was like, yeah, TradingView, and I'm like, what is this? Couldn't figure out how to get off the first page. And then I figured it out. And now I don't think I could trade without it. I literally don't think I probably could, but just the ease of the analysis and being able to put your information on the charts. Now, C-Trader is good. I personally think it's better than MT5. But TradingView is just the best. Yes, Alex, what do you trade? I don't think I've seen your name here before. Welcome, welcome. I presume it's either gold or pound yen. Though if you're trading gold today, it's going to be a tough one. It's going to be a tough one today. I mean, very tough one for gold. But pound yen, it's looking good. We've made that top wick. Now push down, make a nice little resistance.
Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees,
It's listening.
take a deep breath.
GJ and gold. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect.
And you might think, what if I fall?
You'll fit right in.
Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
You'll fit right in. What kind of strategy do you use? Perfect. Nah, gold is not looking good for anything. Alright, new 15-minute candle. Let's see what this candle's looking like. Okay. It's a good start. Breaking the previous 15 low. Love to see the candle trending. Breaking the trend, so yep, come back down. Now if the next 15 also is bearish, definitely got a good setup. Then I would anticipate with volume we continue, push past this support, make a new low. We'll see, we'll see. Hope we catch a nice trade today. It's been a rough few days recently, especially on stream. It's been a rough couple days. But you know what I am proud of? Oh shoot. Oh, give me one sec. Yo. So I had some shopping come, the worst time. Alright. If the current 1 hour candle breaks the previous 1 hour low, without hesitation, I'm taking sales. Yes, Caswell. Love it. Love it. Impulse entry. Caswell is the impulse entry king. I hope you guys can't hear me eating. These grapes are really crunchy. I feel like this mic really picks up stuff. Cool. But yes, I'm thinking you're saying 1 hour low for the impulse entry. I was thinking to take the next 30-minute, you know, especially if this candle closes engulfing this 12:30 candle. Yeah, and I don't normally like buying into the support, just like I said earlier, but GJ is very bearish. We'll see where it closes. So if it closes very close to the support, then I think it breaks through. I don't even know why I'm looking at gold. There's no point. There's absolutely no point right now. Come on, GJ, nice sauce. Still got 5 minutes. Would love it engulfing. Because engulfing is a reversal pattern, or I guess a continuation pattern in this case. Okay. GBPJ looking? Had to fix my Discord for some reason. It wasn't updating. Alright, good. Perfect. Okay, cool. Yeah, Discord's good. Come on, pound yen. Push down. I don't want this candle to close weak bearish because then it looks like a continuation pattern but to the upside. So I need it to come back down a bit. Oh, good lord. That's it. All right, we're liking this closure. Liking this closure. Yeah, it's a good closure right here. Bit more of a body. But that's mostly the top wick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why did it pull up like that? Alright, I've got New York open. That wasn't very nice. Oh, we've got no bottom wick on this candle. So yeah, even if it does push up, it's got to come down and make this bottom wick. Man, this 1 hour does not look great at the moment. Alright, gold, where are we going? Could that have been a gold impulse entry? Is that what we're seeing here? Oof. Yeah, gold is nasty work. 28 pip pullback real quick. Alright, forget gold because gold just looks terrible. Gold is just printing, right? really is. We keep an eye on pound yen, see if we can get this push down, fill this wick, break this low, and get some sells. Pound GJ, bottom wick. I like when pound yen pushes up first. If I'm looking for sells. If I'm looking for sells, or any trade, I like when the candle pushes in the opposite direction first. I love it. And I'll spend the rest of the time driving down. Where did it get to? 190.06. To me, it looks like a continuation pattern going up, just by how this candle closed, because it's not a strong bearish candle. It's kind of like an indecision candle, same length wicks on either side, but it can break the high and the low. Which I hope it does. Yeah, but it's good that pound yen is pushing up first. Even better if it respects this previous high. Which is where? 190.27. Roadworks outside. Hopefully you guys can't hear the construction going on around here. I did some redecorating, yeah, yesterday. Oh my god. Yesterday I took down a wardrobe, built a desk, put some shelves up. Now I thought, you know, I'll be done a couple hours. It took, no joke, from when did I start? I started before the stream. I started about 11:30, the stuff came, and I didn't finish until just before 10. Totally underestimated how long it was gonna take. So yeah, it was pretty much that whole time just working, getting rid of things. Yeah, I should have done it on a weekend. Should have done it on a weekend. But yeah, it's good. Got a nice little setup now. Got a nice little setup. Some good space. Come on, GJ, where you going? See ya. Still don't have a bottom wick for this candle as well. Candle, gotta get that bottom wick in at some point. Now this based on the 1 hour. GJ's looking kind of bullish on the 1 hour. Cause we've got these high lows and a new high low right here. This 1 hour candle actually engulfed the previous one. It broke the high. Oof. 1 hour's not looking great. But if it's going to move this temporarily. Now, if the 1 hour respects this level here, 190.364, or at least we close below, then the next 1 hour candle could potentially be the lower high and form the resistance. But I guess we're gonna have to wait and see now. Let's put this back. Where were you? There we go. Let's see if we can stay below this previous support right here, like a retest. What's the price? 36. GJ 1 hour does look bullish right now. It kind of does. It kind of does. We made the bottom wick, broke previous high. Even the way this support forms, but I have faith. I have faith. Let's see. So we had this double top, 38 pips. So it should drop at least 38 pips, which it kind of did. So the double top pattern's played out already, because what you do is you take from the top to the neckline, and it should move that distance once the neckline breaks. So if I do it like this, look, say 37 to the top, 37 to the bottom. That's how you play those patterns if you don't know. So double top or M pattern, double bottom or W, all the same thing. Alright, so we came close. We kind of did retest that 1 hour level now, pretty much, sort of close. I still want my sells, but if price does close above, it's like a 40 pip range above. Shock. Gold's going sideways still. Let's see what this new 15 is looking like. We still don't have a bottom wick, so we need to come back and make one. Go and leave a little rejection at the top. Next candle, push up, don't break the high, push back down. Perfect. I would love for this M15 to push down. Stay with this downtrend structure, get a lower high, make a new low. Meanwhile, what's gold 15 looking like? Just I keep looking at gold expecting it to have done something. Yeah, high hopes. For nothing. Do not want to close your back above this resistance here. Oh, GG. Hopefully it's just a retest. Still an hour till news. Need a bottom wick though. Yeah, it's true, it's true. I'm surprised it didn't make one on 15-minute. I'm very surprised. But maybe the next candle, maybe a fake out if we close above, could just drop back down. Endless possibilities. Alright, last 10 minutes of this 30-minute candle. It's when we start to see some moves. It's when the volume kicks in. Still checking, even though it's not doing anything. Go on, pull back. So it was maybe a retest. Excellent. Just waiting for candles to close. Just waiting for candles to close. I think the next candle gives us this bottom wick, to be honest. If we can maintain this pullback, we close weak bullish. See, 6 minutes is still a long time, obviously, but yeah, I think if we pull back enough, then the next candle drives down, makes that bottom wick. That's what we're looking for. But it doesn't look like pound yen wants to give us these sells just yet. Should be that. Not bad. Still got a check on gold. Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. How big is this wick? 50 pips. 50 pips. Gold said I'm bullish. But looks like pound yen would be the next move to happen. Now, do I take buys when I'm very bearish? That is the question. Closure above. Does the next candle push up and fill this range? Or does the candle close above and then sell back down because it's a fake out? Do we close below this resistance and then create another one? What do we do? Got a plan for every scenario. Resistance holds, then sells. Would be nice. Would be nice. I know you want that bottom wick too. That's another thing. That's another thing. We need that bottom wick. And this isn't just a 30-minute resistance, it's also a 1-hour support for the retest. So it's a pretty strong level right here, where it is, where pound yen is. So we should see a good reaction, and that's also why price was probably drawn back to it. And then news in 45. It's a good pullback. It's a bit further now. If we can get a rejection candle right off of this resistance, sales look very good. So we need a long top wick for a rejection. Man them, yo, what's good, what's good, what's goody, what's goody. half British. Want to close the weeks with 5 bands or more. Okay, okay. What's pre-market looking like? Do you know what gave it away? Do you know what gave it away? No one says they're from the block. No one says that over here. That's funny. Could have got away with it too. Could have got away with it. Stock market's looking good. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, so pound yen. We got a long wick. We've got a long wick. And I like where it closed. So if we can flip bearish and then break this previous low, we've got the lower high. And then we should be good down to this support at least. How did gold close? Oh, still in the middle of this range. Of course it did. Gold is just, there's no point looking at it right now, is there? Honestly, that's gold right now. It's got to break out of that. Okay, forget gold. Pound yen, beautiful, beautiful. Come down, make this bottom wick. Also, look where it closed. Right by this. I'm gonna say it's a support, but obviously it's not very clean looking because we had that news candle and that gap, but we closed right in this area. So this too is a potential retest area as well. So we'll see what happens now. Give us a good push. You trading into NY Open? Yes, because there's news at 2:45, 9:45 for you. Flash PMIs. So I might stream until about 3. You reckon gold will pop? Okay, okay. I mean, I think we looked at what happened last time. We did look at what happened last time. No, I think. And from what I remember, gold did pop last time. So Friday 2:45. Gold at 2:45. Oh yeah, it was this indecision candle. Oh, you think it will pop at open? Not for the news. Okay. I just want gold to pop in general. I wanted to get out of this damn range, honestly. Where are we? I mean, what is this? What is this? Do you remember back in the day, like drawing a fish? Drawing a fish with lines. That's what this looks like right now. But yeah, I want to see a breakout, a little closure outside of this little range that is created now. 1 hour looks choppy. Yeah, definitely waiting for news. Like Yeehaw said, it's printing. Gold is just printing. Damn. $1. Crazy. Oh. I've got messages I haven't even seen. Oh, do you know what? Why am I on gold? Sorry, responding to messages. Oh, GJ made that bottom wick. Yes. Alright, I'm supposed to ideally make this bottom wick and keep driving down. GJ is the best bet today. 4 hour close bearish with a wick fill. 4 hour looks so good. Do you know what? I just actually forgot the new 4 hour candle opened. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yep. You're right. GJ sells it is. But it's always been GJ sells. But yeah, love where it closed. Still like the structure. Yeah, 1 hour looks cleaner than the 30-minute as well. Rosie agrees. Well, we know that that bottom wick was coming. And now the candles have also broken the trend. Obviously these last candles here, making a new high, made a new high, respected the low. Well, this one did, this one didn't, but it made a new high. So now hopefully this candle respects this high. It's made a low, and we keep, well, we start a new trend. Start respecting the highs and breaking the lows. Right, 15-minute. Yeah, I kind of see how the next 15-minute opens up to. Would love for a closure below this minor support. Yeah, ideally in 3 minutes, close below 190.14. Come on, GJ. 3 minutes, you can do that. Let's close down here somewhere. I think if GJ sells today as well, if the news is bad enough for GJ to sell, if it reacts to this US PMIs, we could get one of those lovely Friday sell-offs on pound yen. Perfect, perfect. Don't want to do that. Alright, let's see what this 15 is looking like. 1 minute till it closes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, come on, 30 seconds. Just hold below this little support right here. I love this, love this. Just hold 14 seconds. Perfect. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant. All right, so now the next 15. Next 15, make a little top wick. And then we close below this support. And then we sell to hell. I like the sound of that. What do you guys think? Sounds like a plan, right? It's not the last Friday of the month. Next Friday is the 28th. I'm like reading my texts out loud. Got a calendar right in front of me. Yeah, these GJ sales look like they're setting up nicely. Yes, come on GJ, indeed. Just need 10 pips. Just a little push down to 10 pips for the closure below. And then we got 20 pips to this broken resistance, but I should use the recent one. Still need to make a bottom wick for this candle right here. But I think if we sell, if we close below, I think we sell. It's definitely going to close below the support. I don't see why not. I love the confidence, Caswell. I love it. I love it. I love the confidence. I'm here for it. Let's go. I'm telling you, right, look, 5 minutes before this candle closes, we all hit sell. Everyone hit sell. Full margin. And we push GJ. Whether you're using a personal, prop, we're going to push this. I was going to say something rude. We're going to push this price down. Full margin. That's it. Why not? No, not really. I never take that advice. Never ever take that advice. Gotta see how this 30-minute candle closes though. Let's see what the 15 is looking like. All right, making a top wick. That's good. You only need like 5 minutes for it to drop, so we got time. We've got some time. And then news in 25. New York Open, or NYSE Open in 10. Right, let's look at these numbers actually. Let's see what's forecast to come out. So, Forex Factory news, nope, calendar. Okay. Flash manufacturing PMI is 51.3. Services PMI is 53. So with PMIs, yeah, if the forecast or if the data comes out actual over 50, it's good for the economy. It's good for the economy. So the fact that they're forecasting both of them over 50, usually it's one over 50, one's under 50. That's why it comes out mixed and then one misses, but they're both forecast to be over 50. Is that how it was last time? Last time was, okay, see, so manufacturing was the one that was weak, and last month it was 49.8, but it came out 50.1. And then the services PMI missed. So that's why it had that indecision last month on gold. Alright, perfect. Pound yen's pushing down now. 8 minutes left. That's good time. Got some good time. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Oh, okay, gold. Okay. Well, Sherlock did say gold will pop. NYSE Open, 8 minutes. Potentially could be happening. But I don't want to get too excited with gold because, you know, this could happen, this wick and this gold. But yeah, 30 minutes looking good. We're breaking lows. Is this the 1 hour low? It is the 1 hour low. Lovely, lovely. This isn't where you were going to take that impulse entry, was it, Caswell? It was the candle before, I believe, actually. Yeah, it was the candle before. But yes, there's a nice push down. Already forgot what price did on pound yen last time. My bad. Should just rewind the stream somewhere. But I'm gonna search it. So 215, did it have an impact? No, indecision as well on pound yen. Cool. Perfect. So hopefully you just continue bearish. Stay with the trend. Have a nice sell-off. Break this previous 4 hour low. Oof. If we break that 4 hour low, we're good. At least retest the daily flip. Yes, yes, yes. Big plans for GJ. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Big selling plans. Do you know what though? I wish, I say it all the time, but I never do it. I start looking into some of these retest entries. Start getting in a little higher. If I was trading by myself, sometimes I would take a more, I won't say risky trade, but I'd manage it very quickly. It's a bit difficult to do that on stream because it's like having to talk it out. And then act on it too. But yeah, this would have been a nice, it's a retest area, so probably not exactly there, but yeah, that would have been nice. Something to look into. Oh, 30 pips. Oh, what's going on? You're going the wrong way. Come on. Come on. Why are we doing this? What's gold doing? A little pullback from that resistance. Nothing big. This was not a nice GJ pullback. Oh my god. Come on, go back down. Fill that wick. Fill that wick back up. We've got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You know what, after all this, let me not even put it out there. Let me not even put it out there. Alright, it's not looking too bad now. Pushing back down. Not too bad, not too bad. GJ's playing games. It is. It really is. It really, really is. It is playing games. Just ranging right now. Stuck in between 190.35, 36 and 190, and we've been here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 hours. We've been in this area with these prices 5.5 hours. Well, yeah, gold's pretty much been the same, if not, yeah, but at least gold dropped and then, you know, retraced. There's way more pips. Look, that's a 160 pips, whereas pound yen I mean, I guess from this drop has not been bad. 71, 70, 70, yeah, about 75, 80, about 80 pips, I guess. Okay, there has been movement. Oh my god, look at this candle. This bearish candle is not nice. Again, we've got a continuation pattern to the upside, just like this one before. What's gold doing? Oh, okay, gold. Are you telling us something about news that we don't know? But it held at that resistance. Go on, GJ. Now drive down. Let's go. Thing is, it's creating lower highs, so it's obviously still very bearish, but we have these little supports right here that we need to break now. Alright, 15 minutes till news. Everyone get ready to full margin on these sells. We're gonna push this thing. Okay, here we go. That's it. Start as you mean to go on. Push past this support. No, not up for it, not yet. That's fine, that's fine. That's fine. Once this support breaks, should be golden. There must be a ton of buyers waiting at this, like this 190 area. Probably the Bank of Japan. Nah, they wouldn't be buying, they'll be boosting their yen. See gold dropping. See what the DXY is doing. Got to check on our good old friend. Oh, what's going on here? What's this? What the hell is this? What's a mini ES1? That's why you shouldn't play with stuff. Alright, what was I looking for? See, market open. Okay, stocks are dropping. That's our good friend DXY. That was dropping too. Yeah, nothing really going on here. watch the 15 actually. That's because news is obviously on the 15-minute. Wow. Gold is really moving. 60 pip drop. Pound yen, come on, behave. See what gold's doing? Do the same. 60 pip drop. Forget gold. Markets in Power Ranger mode. Big time, big time. Everything's just bloody ranging. Facts, everything just been ranging. Now either two things gonna happen right before this news. This support's gonna hold, or it's just gonna burst through and drop. Ooh, it's already dropping. Perfect, 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 perfect. It's gotta continue now. Got to. I just hope it gives us an entry. Don't pull up. Don't pull up. Wow. Okay. Yeah, gold's playing. Gold's playing. Gold's playing. Gold is playing all the games. Alright, 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes to go for this news that might have very little impact. Oh man. Don't jinx it. My bad, my bad. Nah, loads are gonna happen. It's gonna move. We're gonna get our trades. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Is that better? Oh, one biscuit left. Alright, food's done. Right, so if gold goes up, usually pound yen will be going down. But recently it's not really been, that correlation hasn't really been there like that. So I'm very curious to see what's going to happen. Both pairs going to move the same way. They're going to do their own thing. Mixed news. Very curious to see what's going to happen. But these sells on pound yen so far are nice. The push down's been good. Just needs to maintain it now. And gold has pulled back up. Okay, 1 minute 30 seconds to go. Let me split screen this thing. Alright, that's the levels. Looking for either a retest or a closure below, break below here. Definitely looking for a bottom wick for this candle right here. And then the target, which isn't obviously not going to be hit straight away, would be down here. Alright, 30 seconds to go. Gold pushed up, little spike. GJ, little gap. Lovely, lovely. Lovely. Alright, let's gold's gonna do its thing over there. You know what, I need to see the gold price. Alright, well, gold should break out of this range and pop. GJ filled up the whole range. Right, so this was the retest area. Nope. Oh, is it? Is it? Damn, GJ. Is it going to slow down in time for us to get in? I wonder. Oof. I kind of like gold buys, but just because I think the news obviously is going to make gold pop. What were the results? So let's take a look at that first. So one was good, one was bad. It's always mixed with this news. So the services PMI missed like last time, and manufacturing hit. It's always the same, always mixed. So yeah, I think gold's gonna fly now. Still don't even have super clean levels on the 1 hour because all these wicks to the left. It's a bit sucky. And GJ is running fast. Alright, so what's this random price here? Alright, what's gold? Not gold. What's GJ gonna do at this daily flip? So I'm anticipating the daily flip bearish. I said it in the beginning, daily flip bearish. Fill this wick. But at least first stop, 189.12. Let's go. Gotta wait 11 minutes for an entry. Oh. Normally would at least be waiting for the 15-minute, but when news comes at 2:45, kind of already there. But yeah, this is dope. This is dope. This is dope. Give us all these cells. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Cells should continue. They should. They really should. Gold is moving. Yeah, unfortunately, gold is just way too choppy on every time frame for me to get into anything. So I'm gonna leave gold where it's at. All good on gold for today. I think you already smacked me once. I ain't trying to get smacked twice. I learned my lessons. I learned lessons very quickly. Definitely not stubborn. I wonder how the market reacted to that news. Some market saying, "Oh, no bueno. No bueno, mira." Oof. Anyway, let's leave that there. Sorry, Sherlock. Fucking hell. Hopefully stocks by themselves are doing alright, but damn. Puts on the SPY right now. Unless you buy the dip. What goes down must come up. What goes up must come down. How we doing, chat? Are we setting up for these sells or what? 9 minutes to go. Anyone get any early entries? Anyone jump in? Anyone been in? I mean, if you managed to get in this, dip buy in. Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. Looks like gold's pulling back. Back into this range. Gold. Entered at, hey, Caswell. You didn't want to miss this drop. I feel you on that. And you know what? You see where you got in, that 190 psychological level is a very good entry, because it's, once that price broke, you know it was going to push. You see how it kept bouncing? That's what psychological levels do. So yeah, that was a very good entry. A very good entry. I'm gonna see what happens in the next 7 minutes. See if I can jump on this train, catch a ride down to 189.2. 12, if it doesn't get there before. What are you thinking? Friday sell-off? Friday sell-off. I think Friday sell-off. It might as well. This is just PMI news for another country and prices dropping like this. It might as well just go down to 187 at this point. That might be a bit ambitious. That might be a bit ambitious. I don't even think I could hold that long. Alright, come on now, closure. Oh, do you know what? What I don't want is price to be hovering around the daily flip. Because the daily flip is deciding whether the daily candle is bullish or bearish. Oof. So it's not a psychological level, but it's another area to really pay attention to, where the daily candle opened. So if the daily wants to stay bullish, it's bouncing off that flip area. Nah, man, this thing's got to drive down. Got to drive down. I'm looking at gold. Forget gold. GJ's a 1 right now. So Caswell, you're like 40 pips up right now. Killing it, killing it, killing it. Killing it, killing it. I was thinking impulse entry above support. Would that have been around here, I suppose? What, when the 30-minute broke this low? That would have been nice. That's a good entry too. It's pretty much where Caswell got in. Look, about 5 pips away if that. Not bad, not bad. Well done, well done. It was a good idea. I mean, once we made this resistance here, even though it kind of rejected a little bit, the structure, we got that resistance, the lower high, we broke this low. I mean, the cells just looked, they look great. But they've been looking great. Just need an entry now. Right, I need pound yen to not, to like, yeah, we're good, got that closure below. So maybe the next candle retests this resistance, or just makes a top wick and then drives down through the range. That's what I'm looking for now. Goldie, not a damn thing. Look at gold. Oh man, shouldn't laugh at the markets because, you know, it's not funny. It's not funny when you get smacked, but look at this shit, man. Look at that price action. No gold for me today. Same. Snap, crackle, pop. I ain't touching it. I don't want to risk it for the biscuit, you know. Just need this candle to close below, which is looking like it will, and then need a top wick on the new 3 o'clock candle. Do I want to put a buy stop, sell stop? Can't even use 15-minute highs because that is 50 pips on GJ. Wow. Wow. Never have I ever. 50 pips on pound yen is wild. 50 pips on pound yen is wild, you know. Está loca. Oh. Right, so I think it's gonna have to be a manual entry, stop loss above entry candle high, hopefully it doesn't just open and pop. If it does, what did I say? Hopefully you don't do that. Come on. Come on. Give us a top wick. Oh my god. Don't just break the low straight away. Oh, GJ is the worst. GJ is actually the worst. Exactly, we need a good top wick. Right, so new hour candle as well. So you want a nice hourly top wick. Then flip, re-break that low, or pull up to this resistance, come back down. Do you know what I mean? We need something. Even a retest. Oh, do you know what? I wouldn't even mind a retest of right here. Just another key level. Nah, this thing's gonna run. Alright, is what it is. Is what it is. We waited patiently. We waited very patiently. Very, very patiently. Alright, GJ. Ay. I know it took some off. Sneaky. Alright, GJ's gone. Bye, GJ. It's fine. Missed out on that one. Right, I'm going to leave it here. Why did I get a feeling that Benny entered? Benny. Benny said I had to. Benny said I had to. I feel you on that. I feel you on that. I feel you on that one. It's like I ain't missing two. I think GJ's coming down to 189. Oh yeah. Yeah. GJ's going below 189. I think he's actually coming down to this, like below this 4 hour. I think it pushes past. Look at the trend. I think it makes a new low today. I actually think it makes a new low. Still got like 3 hours. This is just the this is 1 hour into the 4 hour candle. We've got ages to go. Still got the rest of the day. I think GJ comes down. And it's Friday? What? GJ in a Friday sell-off? Listen, 187.4 is on the table. $187.4 is on the table. This thing could bleed. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. There's nothing here for me now. It's been fun today. It's been fun. It's been a bit longer than usual as well. You think it will hit the nearest four? Well, you know, definitely the 4 hour support, because you know we spoke about it earlier. 4 hour to 4 hour. So that's the first. If I was in, that would be the first place I'm looking for a bounce or a retracement. So I would lock it in there. Yeah, I'd have to lock it in there, and then yeah, look for some more entries or add positions in. But I think we'll have a little bounce at the 4 hour level and then continue. But I think pound yen is bearish for the rest of the day. But yeah, I'll be in the Discord, guys. I'll be in the Discord today. Oh, someone's at the door. All right, guys, peace out.